So this thing sits over in the corner, been beeping. Batteries, more than likely. Carbon monoxide meter. I don't get to use this tool too much here in Florida. It's a Testo 310 carbon monoxide detector. Got 0 parts per million. Available oxygen should be 20.9. So, showing my ambient temperature. Zero parts per million CO2. Got it outside. Ambient. 30 seconds. Start up. So, as far as life goes, we got 20.9% O2 oxygen. You got a lot of other stuff in there. You got a little bit of argon. You got a little bit of a lot of nitrogen. A little bit of water. Can't remember on this thing if we print it during the test. Or after the test, so hit the print button. Stop. Show the results. So you gotta do it after the test. It's gonna print out. It's got some. See, we got 0 parts per million CO2. Now you can go to bed. There's the chainsaw. Took my finger apart, guys.